Teenager Shanika is hurt after a late night shooting in Southeast DC. This happened around 11 last night on Stanton Road. Police say that the teenager was conscious when they found him. Police say that the two suspects were wearing dark clothes and driving a dark sedan. If you have any information on the shooting, you're asked to contact DC police.
Also, we have new details on this weekend's drowning off of the Key Bridge. Police confirming it was a 15-year-old girl who drowned on Saturday off Walter Street in Northwest D.C. It is unclear how exactly she fell in the water. So, of course, we're going to continue to follow that story, and we'll give you updates as we learn more.
In Virginia, 81-year-old woman is missing. Take a look at your screen. This is Carolyn Taylor. She was last seen on Foundry Road in Purcellville. This is Sunday morning was the last time that she was seen. She was wearing that blue sweatshirt you see there, blue jeans. Loudoun County Sheriff's Office says that she's known to take a nap outside in grassy and sometimes wooded areas. Police are asking those who live in the area to review their doorbell cameras and report in for any information that could help in the search.
And in Maryland, 4 students have been charged for fighting on the first day of school. That's in Charles County. Now, this happening at around 8 a.m. yesterday at North Point High School in Waldorf. Police say that the fight started when one student pushed another student to the ground, and then students have been charged with assault and disruption of school activities.
Thousands of kids across the district are now back in the classroom. I mean, we really were celebrating them yesterday, Shanika, after a longtime chancellor, Dr. Farabee, left. There's a new interim chancellor at DCPS. She says that one of her main focuses will be making sure that kids don't skip school.
Chronic absenteeism continues to be the thing that we really do worry about, and it's not just here in DC, it's across the country. And then we also have a partnership within the city where we had some students who had extreme chronic absenteeism participate in that, and we did see a 71% decrease in that, and so we are very grateful.
The truancy rate at DCPS is 39%, meaning that many students are missing at least 10% of the school year.
And Mark, students heading back to class in Virginia, they're being tested in a new way. So the new cell phone restriction, they are in place all day, and we are talking about even lunchtime.
Yeah, and don't forget, Shanika, we're also talking about earbuds and smartwatches. DC News Now's Ben Dennis has the details on the ban.
Fairfax County students powering down phones, earbuds, smartwatches, personal tablets, and other connected devices must stay off and stored from bell to bell, including during lunch and in between class. School board member Ryan McElveen says it could simplify enforcement.
Teachers previously were playing cop more than they will be now. This is taking all of that away, so this is one less thing they have to deal with in the classroom.
The county's change follows state lawmakers who required the same rule across the Commonwealth. One of the law's sponsors, Senator Stella Pekarsky, expected some pushback about how the rule gets enforced.
And yes, you do see kids being kids. It's the nature of any and every behavioral intervention in our policies. But what we have seen is when we implement this in schools, there is a shift of mentality.
A new study published by the American Academy of Pediatrics involving more than 10,000 young people found smartphone ownership at age 12 was linked to higher risks of depression, obesity, and insufficient sleep. FCPS tells parents to call the main office if they need to reach a child.
Kids are actually safer without that technology in their hands. So, because they're not distracted. If there was an emergency in school, they need to be paying attention to their teachers. Their teachers and staff are incredibly well trained to deal with these kind of issues, and they need to have all their attention on them.
Shanika, I get it. And I don't mean to be funny here, but when I was in school, there was none of this technology. So there were minimal distractions. But, now, the easy way to address this, for those who are against the technology in the classroom is that it has an impact on learning.
It does. And, look, I remember when we all just communicated together, like
Yeah.
we just all talked. If we wanted to communicate, we'd write notes in class and, pass them along, ask
I
your
remember
your
those.
neighbor to pass it
Yeah.
to, someone else until they get it. Then make eye contact. There was no cell phones, but I do know, when I was in high school, college, yes, you were on your phone, you're texting, you're checking your social media and stuff.
Yeah.
It's just the way it is, And so having maybe not lunchtime though. I'm thinking, it's lunchtime.
Right.
You should be able to kind of do whatever you want during that 30-minute break or however long it is.
Can we agree kids are resilient and they'll make the adjustment?
Oh, they will totally make the adjustment. But I'm just saying, if I
Yeah.
were a student, that's a bit harsh. I can't even use my phone during lunch.
Hey.
Like imagine here, right?
Yeah.
So anywhere in the workforce, yes, cell phones are a distraction. Maybe some jobs, and there are some jobs that don't allow you to use your phone, in certain locations at work, right? But what if they say you can't even check your phone during lunch? Isn't that kind of
Yeah, no, I mean, but that's what
You're
the
not
discussion is for, right?
Yeah, you're not working.
In some districts, it's going to be ongoing. Let's move on now to the Maryland Department of Health confirming more than a dozen new cases of measles across 3 counties. The state is now declaring a measles outbreak in St. Mary's, Carroll, and Cecil counties. They say that 14 new cases are people who are unvaccinated, and there's been no public exposures or evidence of community transmissions. And they have been 31 confirmed measles cases in Maryland this year, including 27 since mid-July, and there are only 3 confirmed cases in all of 2025.
All right, Dan, a heads up for Amtrak riders. There will be service disruptions in the district, and that'll be for 9 days in October. The agency says it'll be doing some track work between October 16th and 26th, and will shut down the first street tunnel south of Union Station. So Amtrak says anyone traveling south of D.C., you'll likely see fewer routes and more cancellations. But once the work is done, they say passengers will experience fewer delays and more on-time trains.